A little bit of maintenance on these rails. So we want to take a rag with some WD-40 and wipe these down and just keep them clean every day. If they're silver, they're going to last forever. If they're brown, you're going to end up going through one of these little linear slide trucks here. So make sure that this is nice every day. Wipe down with some WD-40, keep her clean. And if you have something with the black rail, make sure every week, at least once a week, you're wiping these down, keeping those really nice and clean. We can blow the gear rack off on the back side of the gantry, and so I would say every 40 hours, 50 hours, we want to shoot a shot of grease in here. We give you a grease gun fitting for that. And then every 150 to 200 hours, we'll shoot a shot of grease here. Depending on the build of the ball screw, it'll have a grease zerk on one or either side, but we give you a pocket on both sides so you can grease that. And that should take care of all the maintenance besides maybe behind the magnetic breakaway. We want to make sure all the material's wiped out of here and clean. And that'll give our collision sensor a good place to sit. If you don't, you can always run the set screw out here, 30 or 40 thousandths, to keep your collision sensor active and working. And once you've completed and made sure all your maintenance goes good, your machine should run really well. And it's time to enjoy a donut.